Welcome back, and today we're going to have a look at Piro TicTocs. It's quite a large subject, so we'll just cover half Piro TicTocs this time, and then we can go on to full, double, and more advanced versions in later episodes. We'll go through picking a direction that you want to learn, some Piro trainer work, Piro rainbows, and a few tips on keeping them going. For learning purposes, we're going to think of the Piro TicToc as two separate parts, one going away and the other coming back. Both parts should start from a stable point and end at another stable point, so we need to have decent control at the endpoints. Let's figure out what our best directions are going to be for learning. So you might already have a preferred direction, but let's go through this anyway. We need to pick a direction where we're already pretty strong at the endpoints. We do this by trying TicTocs in a few directions with nose up and nose down. Most people are stronger at blades in, so we'll use that for now. Once we've picked our preferred direction, we need to confirm that we have enough control at the endpoints. So we need to do TicTocs fast, slow, as low as we can, and move them around. And that's in both the nose up and nose down positions. Once we've picked our preferred endpoints, it's onto the Piro trainer. We start by doing 4-point TicTocs. Then we move on to making the half Piro. We're looking to keep the main shaft as straight as possible as it goes over, and also straight on the way back. The straighter we can get these, the better, as it means less work during the stops. Now we've got those to a pretty good level, we can do half Piro rainbows. This enforces the learning we did on the Piro trainer, and these can be done for real at the field without much danger, as they're quite a slow moving manoeuvre. Just move them away and back with the stops at the end and the half Piro in the middle. Hesitation Piro TicTocs are like the half rainbows, but keeping a bit of angle on the stops and only a brief pause before carrying on. We're looking for control at the ends and a nice smooth Piro. Now you string what you've learned together by taking the pauses out. You still need to concentrate on hitting the endpoints as you speed it up. Over time we can make these faster and tighter, but that will happen automatically, so you don't have to force it just yet. One thing that comes up quite often is someone says I can do a few of them and then I lose them and have to bail out. This is normal as our brain is doing a lot of work trying to hit the endpoints, and it tries to ease the load by reducing it down to stick movements, which becomes a game of stir catch up. The trick is to slow it down just a bit, reconnect with the endpoints, and speed it up again. Often you have to tell yourself to see each endpoint. Piro TicToc reversals. The good news is we already have the stable endpoints. So to learn reversals we need to go back to the Piro trainer and make our way through to doing half Piro rainbows and hesitation Piro TicTocs again. Even better news is that once we have the stable endpoints and reversals, we can reverse them at any time we like, even after each half Piro, and they will always stop at the preferred endpoint. For Skids-in, it's the same learning process again. Start with the TicTocs, nose up and nose down, then the Piro trainer, Piro rainbows, etc. Most people find Skids-in a lot more difficult, but that just makes it look better. In future episodes, I'll cover full and double Piros, as well as the global 3D maneuver, the weightlifter. Until then, good luck.